Hello everyone. Welcome back to another video on our channel about healthy eating now. Today, we will be talking about healthy eating and how to make better food choices to improve our quality of life. Healthy eating is essential for keeping our body functioning properly. A balanced diet, with nutritious foods rich in vitamins, minerals, and fibers, can help prevent diseases and improve our mental and physical health. In addition, healthy eating can improve our mood, energy, and readiness for daily activities. Healthy eating includes a variety of natural foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. It is important to avoid processed foods with high amounts of sugar, trans fats, and sodium that can increase the risk of chronic diseases like obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. For healthy eating, it is important to choose fresh and natural foods whenever possible. Eat fruits and vegetables of different colors to get a variety of nutrients. Include whole grains in your diet, such as brown rice, quinoa, and oatmeal, which are rich in fiber and help keep you feeling full longer. Choose lean proteins like chicken, fish, and tofu instead of red and processed meats. And remember to drink plenty of water and avoid soda and sugary drinks. In conclusion, healthy eating is an essential part of a healthy lifestyle and can have a significant impact on our physical and mental well-being. By choosing natural and nutritious foods and avoiding processed and unhealthy foods, we can improve our health and quality of life. See you in the next video.